When Lana started her car today and turned the AC blower on, there was no flow of air. She increased the speed to max, but still the flow of air was very restricted, as if the blower setting was on 1 or 2, and there was a very bad odor. Hello YouTube, welcome back. Many a times it happens that there is no proper airflow from the blower vents. Also bad smell is emitted due to dirt or something else getting clogged on the cabin air filter. In this tutorial I will show you how to replace the cabin air filter and remove and clean the air blower in your Wagon R K10 series. Part required is a cabin air filter. Tools that you will require: a plier to pull out the cabin filter, a short length Phillips screwdriver or a stubby screwdriver has space is limited to reach the 3 screws securing the air blower. You will need an 8 mm spanner or socket if you plan on removing the fan from the air blower, and an extractor tool to pull the fan out. Make use of a torque wrench if you have one. To access the cabin filter, also called as air conditioner filter, open the glove box as the filter is located behind the glove box. Removal of the glove box is very simple. Just depress the cushions and remove the glove box out. Keep the glove box aside. I prefer removing these 2 clips from the glove box upper tray. Remove the 2 clips and keep them safely. Removal of the 2 clips and pushing up the glove box upper tray helps in removing the cabin air filter cover easily. To remove the cover securing the cabin filter, press on this tab like so and remove the cover. To remove the cabin filter, you can use a plier if the filter is stuck. If not, just use your bare hands and pull out the filter. See the amount of dirt accumulated on the filter. Also, out here you have rat droppings, hence the restricted airflow and the stench. As we see, the cabin air filter is full of rat droppings, hence the stench, leaves and dirt. With the cabin filter in such a state, you just replace it to a new one. Now if you have just a little bit of dirt, you can clean the filter with compressed air. Also you can dust the filter by hitting it on a wall or floor. Let's also remove the glove box upper tray. This tray is secured by 3 clips. Remove them like so. The removal of glove box upper tray is optional. I've removed it just to check for infestation of rats and to clean the dust. This is the position of the 3 clips that secure the glove box upper tray. Remove the glove box upper tray and keep it aside. This is where the air blower is located, just below the glove box compartment in the footwell. For easy access, open the door wide and kneel on the floor instead of sitting in the car or footwell. Remove the power connector by putting your fingers and unlocking the tab. The connector should come out easily. You need to remove the 3 screws securing the air blower. Use a short length screwdriver as you have very limited space in reaching the back 2 screws. Turn anti-clockwise to remove the screw. Remove the 3 screws and keep them aside in a safe place. Pull out the air blower like so. Don't forget to thoroughly clean the lower blower case. The blower fan has a thick layer of dust. You can clean it with a brush. This is where the 3 screws pass. Or you can remove the fan and wash it with water. To remove the fan, use an 8 mm socket or spanner and turn anti-clockwise to free the nut. Keep the nut safely. The fan cannot be easily removed from the shaft, so use an extractor tool. Do not try to remove the fan by hitting on the shaft. You could damage the shaft. There, as you see, there's a lot of dirt on the fan. And don't forget to keep aside this washer. Clean the fan with soap and water. If you can't remove or don't want to remove the fan, dust the fan with a brush. Thoroughly clean the assembly. Here you go, I've cleaned the blower fan. Now let's put it back. As you can see, you have a flat on the shaft as well as on the fan. Apply a bit of grease out here before installation. Like so. And put back the fan. And don't forget to put the washer out here. Wash will go like so. There. Turn the nut clockwise to tighten. Use a torque wrench if you have one. As you see the square pipe on the blower, you have a similar part on the blower case, and the square pipe fits into the blower case. Now your air blower is ready for installation. Keep the 3 screws and your short length Phillips screwdriver handy. Put back the air blower like so. Footage taken in a different angle. The air blower square pipe will fit into the square part of the blower upper case marked by this arrow. Put back the 3 screws, turning them clockwise to tighten. Put back the power connector like so. You will hear a clicking sound when the tab locks. View of the coolant air blower from the cabin air filter chamber. This is a new genuine cabin air filter procured from a Suzuki spare parts dealer. The direction in which the cabin air filter needs to go into the chambers mentioned on the cabin air filter. Push in the cabin air filter into the chamber like so. On the cabin air filter cover, there is a mention of the installation direction. Put back the cabin air filter cover like so. The glove box upper tray is secured by these 3 clips. After thoroughly cleaning the glove box upper tray, put it back like so. Push the 3 clips in the respective 3 slots. Put back the bottom 2 clips like so. Put back the glove box by depressing one side of the cushion and pushing it in. That will be all in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. For more Wagon R related videos, check the Wagon R playlist. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Subscribe to the channel, feel free to share and hit the bell icon so you will be notified when a new video is posted. Take care and drive safe.